Hello, welcome for our very first digital marketing tips video. And today the topic of the video will focus on SEO keywords. So I will answer 3 questions to help you understand why keywords are so important and how to manage them. So first of all, I will answer the question, what are keywords? The word you use on your website can make a big difference in how easily people can find you. And if you wish to be ranked well in the search results, you should definitely use keywords. Then, how to set up your keywords? So you have to access the code of your website, and then after you have to input the keywords either in the site domain, the site title, the headings, or the bodies. And last question, how many keywords should I set up? So it depends on your info, but for small business, the best is to use around 5 keywords, and you also have to know that if you use too many keywords, Google won't help for the index of your website. Thanks for listening. I hope those tips will help you, and see you next week for the next tip video.